So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. I batched out some of these a couple months ago, and I've had reports of the screw backing out, and it's not because it's loose. I think the squirrel actually turns the piece of corn that you put on there, because the screw will be backed out at the bottom, but you can't just push it up. You have to get a screwdriver or an impact driver and literally drill it back in. So in order to combat that, I just have I cut out some of these little pieces of fence picket, and I'm going to glue and nail them over the screw head so that there's no possible way that it could back out. I have 10 of them right here that I have left, so I'm going to go ahead and do that to these. Can't even get the nail gun in there. We'll see if I could get a clamp in there. I don't even think I could get a clamp in there. Looks like I'm going to put a little piece of tape over it to hold it until it dries. On future builds, I'll put this little piece on before I put all this other stuff, just to prevent that from happening. Well, there you go, guys. All 10 are complete. It didn't take very long, just a couple minutes. Now I'm going to let them dry and then remove the tape. Thanks for watching.